Hi, everyone. Happy Labor Day. So the university is officially closed today, but I did want to get this announcement out now as you're getting started with week 2 of our class. So first, if you've not yet responded to your classmates from the discussion activity on Friday, remember to post replies by tomorrow night, by Tuesday night. And I hope that our first set of materials and discussion has been helpful for you in understanding what grant proposal writing is and what it involves. So then on Wednesday of this week, we'll have an assignment that helps you further consider what is necessary for grant writing, including some of the skills necessary for grant writers. And the assignment is a grant writer job ad analysis. And for that, you'll locate and analyze 2 current job ads for grant writers and consider them in relation to our class materials from last week said about grant writing. And even if becoming a professional grant writer is not in your future, you all will be writing a grant proposal later in this class, and you might even, of course, get to the chance to write a grant at some point in your professional career. So the job ad analysis assignment will help you to further consider some of the skills and abilities needed for successful grant writers. And I have some more detailed instructions on Canvas, but do let me know if you have any questions about that assignment. And then after that, after Wednesday's assignment, we'll be moving on to our next set of lesson materials, Introduction to the Grant Lifecycle. And so while our first set of materials gave a general overview of grant proposal writing and some important ideas to consider in relation to that, our next set of materials gives an overview of the whole grant process, which is called the grant lifecycle. So I do have a few notes about that on the lesson materials page on Canvas, followed by some readings and videos for you to view. First, of course, we have a page about the grant lifecycle from the grants.gov website. After that, we have an overview of the grant-seeking process from the online book, Winning Grants Step by Step. And you'll access that book through the Miami University Library, so take a look at my notes on Canvas about accessing that. And then we'll have a couple of short videos. So once you do finish going through those materials, we have a discussion activity for Friday called the grant writing process and grant life cycle. That'll be the focus of that discussion. And for that, you will need to, of course, to respond to a couple of prompts and citing the class materials from this week. And then you'll, of course, as we will with all discussions, respond to classmates as well after that. So that's just a very brief overview of what we will be focusing on this week. I'll share some additional information and details about our community partner very soon. And of course, as you work on all that this week, though, let me know if you have any questions.